All right, today, folks, we're gonna be changing our cabin air filter in the Bronco Sport. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open the glove box. As you can see, we have tabs right here, and we have this connection down here. We're gonna get like a set of pliers and we're gonna squeeze those together. But first, I'm gonna hit this clamp right here to release, and this one on this side. This is the inside of it. We'll push that down. All right, so I already removed the clamp before I started the video. I didn't fully attach it back, but I kind of want to show you the process. So once we get that open, this clip over here, we're gonna pop that. And one right here, and it's gonna open this little door right here. And we're gonna remove our cabin air filter. I'll pull this out. As you can see, this thing is filthy. So we're just gonna take that and just drop it right there for right now. Okay, here we have the new one. As you can see, the difference. Man, that thing filthy. So we're just gonna pop that right in. I'll slide this right on there. Push that bad boy on there. Airflow. Okay. We're gonna put the tabs back in place. You hear the snap. Then we're gonna reconnect. Reconnect that little piece right there. Give me 1 second. All right, here we go. We're gonna reconnect this little part right here. Gonna snap that back in place. There we go. Close our glove box. That is the replacement of the cabin air filter in a Ford Bronco Sport. Thank you guys for tuning in.